These massive steel walls, the transverse bulkheads, were explicitly designed to make the Titanic unsinkable.
A little to the left. Steady, steady. All right, get the hammer ready. Hold fast up there. Bring her down just a fraction. Watch the alignment. Lower away, slowly now. Watch the far side. All right, it's seated. Hot rivet across. Got it, set it now. All right, drive it home.
The hydraulic riveting machine proved much faster, producing some 200 rivets an hour, compared to the hand gang's 200 per day.
Easy now. Lower away. Watch the hull. Lower away. Steady, steady. Get that link seated properly.
Lower the chain hoist slowly. We need to check the plumb line on the center shaft.
Steady on the chains. Lower her down, watch the starboard side. Easy now. Lower it steady. Watch the alignment on number 2 coupling. Lower the intermediate piston rod now. Steady on. Watch the alignment. Almost there. Easy now. Easy, easy. A little to the left. Hold her steady now. Bring her down slow. Steady, lads, steady. Lower her down easy, watch the shafts. We need exact alignment now. Lower it easy now, watch the starboard side. A bit more to the left, steady. All right, hold her steady. Lower it slowly now, easy, easy. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Slow down, slow down. Watch the beam, bring it to the left. Cable. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Steady, steady now.
The massive flanged coupling, secured by heavy bolts, ensures perfect alignment. The adjacent thrust bearing absorbs.
At 78 feet tall, this rudder is essential for controlling the 46,000-ton vessel.
Easy now, bring her down slow. Easy now, easy. Guide her in. Watch the alignment on the gudgeon. Heave it up, lads. Watch the edge. We need more polish on the second deck. Lower it slowly now, steady on the left. All right, she's almost home.
Call button is working, sir.
Very good. The Louis Quinze suite is ready for inspection.
The first-class dining saloon, spanning the width of the ship, was the largest room of its kind.
Quite remarkable, isn't it? Better than the first class on the Mauretania, they say.
It truly is splendid, Charles.
I must say, the accommodations are superior to the Baltic we took last year.
Indeed. And the crossing has been remarkably smooth thus far.
They say the crossing will be smooth sailing from here on out.
Let's hope so. I'm eager to get to dry land.
Heave on that main halyard. Aye. Hauling taut now.
A testament to maritime luxury, a powerful new electric system ensures smooth passage between decks, a true marvel of the age.
Keep those fires stoked, gentlemen. We have 2,000 mouths to feed. More coal for range 3. Lower away, steady now.
Watch that davit arm.
Women and children first, step lively now. Move those tins lively now.
Make room for the mast here.
Careful with the flares, man.
Keep that line straight, lads. More red down below.
All right, hoist the scaffold up another 10 feet on the double.
All right, lower away on that starboard line. Lowering now, steady as she goes.
On this bright spring day in 1911, the world watched as the largest ship ever built.
Now, release the triggers.
Hey, the dog shores are clear.
Ship ever built. Sliding.
Pull her tight on the bow line.
Aye, slacken the stern.
Hold fast, nearly there.
Heave the line, lads. Make that forward line fast.
Hold fast, hold fast.
Heave on the starboard rope.
Watch the steam, watch the steam.
Lower away, gently now. All right, steady as she goes. Hold fast on those ropes. Lower it down slow, watch the alignment.
Steady on the line, lower away.
Watch the starboard guide, mind the gap.
She's settling now, bring her down slow.
Sirs. This elevated position, high above the main deck, was equipped with a direct telephone line to the bridge and
Bridge! Iceberg dead ahead, 290. Hard a starboard now. Hard a starboard.
Helm is over, sir.
Very good. She handles beautifully. Steady as she goes.
The measured mile is complete.
23.5 knots, precisely, sir.
Excellent. She handles the power splendidly.
Goodbye, Titanic! Send us a postcard from New York.
Godspeed. Look at her go. The largest ship in the world.
Aye, the finest vessel ever built by man.
Heave on that line quickly now.
I recognise, sir. All right, heave it down. Coming down, boss.
Keep the line moving, we haven't got all day.
Steady on the left, watch the eggs.
Gleaming in the sun, she was the largest ship afloat, an icon of the age. Gleaming in the sun, she was the largest ship afloat, an icon of the age.